Like, watch how oppositional we are. From this point on, you're not allowed to raise your hands in the air. You can't put both your hands in the air because I said so. I said no. Okay, got it. Putting your foot in the air is not breaking my rule, by the way. So oh, by the way, and you can't do it because I'm a man. But now here's the interesting part. I tell you not to raise your hands, and for some reason you're like, I'm going to do it, and you do it. And then I say other words because I'm a man, sounds. You heard it, interpreted it, made it mean something. Oh no, you did. And then but you think you had some sort of say over that. You think you had some sort of power, where all I did was I said words, but because you responded to my words, who really had the power?